the ocean. I wanted to get right to you.
Look, Diane.
Oh, it's on your head.
Did you get, or is it video?
Okay,
It's video.
A little bit of water in the bag and then the garbage in the bag. I'm going to walk behind you, ma'am. Don't lean back.
Oh,
Okay.
Are you sure it's taken?
Right here. There's nobody here.
It says REC.
Right here.
yeah, I'm getting the video. I got that in video.
Hey, bird, what are you doing there?
And if you don't want them up there anymore, you just drop your hand down to your sides. They'll have no more perch point and they'll fly away.
Look at it, they're all coming on me.
Oh, thank you.
Isn't that cool? Yeah.
They were cute.
And I don't know if you saw, but there's lots of neat fish down here. Boring fish on that side, neat fish on this side.
Really, look at this.
Get some more bread to feed the fish.
Look at, isn't that funny how they're on my hand going to your hand?
Yeah, there's some needlefish down there right now, the little skinny ones. And that was a smoky raccoon butterfly.
So what do you think?
Came up, that yellow and
There you go, another one.
green one. And the yellow and black one down there with a long dorsal streamer is
hope
called
she's
Maury
coming.
Scheidel. Hawaiian name is Kihi Kihi.
Look at that.
If you've ever seen the movie Finding Nemo, that was the fish in charge of the aquarium.
There you go.
His name was Gil. Gil had a big scar on his cheek. Gil was a Maury Scheidel.
Okay, Bert, it's funny, I just have my hand out and they think I have food.
Oh, so there's no more food.
You have?
Yeah,
Whoa.
that's all it takes anymore. After you've
Well,
done
where
it.
is in my?
Don't really notice her.
It's a little choppy. Look for something on the blue that comes up to the top. This is going to be
Ooh, hello, birdies. Oh my God! Look at the breads falling.
Don't let it fall.
Push it into my pussy. Okay.
This is video.
yeah, there's